High in the mist-covered hills, where cool winds gently touch emerald leaves, a humble plant begins its journey. From these peaceful slopes comes one of the world's most loved beverages, tea. When cultivated organically, tea does more than refresh us. It protects the soil, supports farmers, and preserves nature. Let's explore the simple and sustainable journey of organic tea farming. Tea flourishes in cool climates, high altitudes, and well-drained acidic soil. Organic cultivation starts with selecting land free from chemical residues. Shade trees, birds, and beneficial insects naturally balance the ecosystem, creating harmony between farming and nature. Healthy tea begins with living soil. Instead of synthetic fertilizers, farmers enrich the land with compost, cow dung, vermicompost, and green manures. Mulching locks in moisture and slowly nourishes the roots. Tea plants are grown from quality cuttings and planted in neat rows, often along terraced slopes to prevent erosion. Companion crops like ginger or pepper provide shade and additional income, making the farm more sustainable. Regular pruning keeps the bushes strong and productive. Instead of chemical pesticides, farmers rely on neem oil sprays, cow-based biosolutions, and herbal extracts to manage pests. The result? Clean, chemical-free leaves. Harvesting is done by hand, selecting only the top 2 leaves and a bud. After careful processing, these leaves transform into the aromatic tea we enjoy every day. Organic tea farming protects soil health, reduces environmental harm, and often earns premium prices in the market. Every sip carries the dedication of farmers and the blessings of nature. This is Discover Agriculture, sharing practical, sustainable farming knowledge.